Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a brightness setting on your laptop in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So all you have to do, make sure your Windows is up to date. You can check it out on your settings and go to the update and security here. Make sure your Windows is updated here. And also one thing that's very important is your graphic driver. Also make sure your graphic driver is up to date. So if you cannot set your brightness on your system, you can set it on your graphic driver here. For example, this is the IMD graphic that I'm used. You can custom your color, custom the display in here. And if you use NVIDIA, also you can custom the brightness contrast on your NVIDIA driver. And also you can go to the device manager. You can type device manager on search, and here the display adapter, make sure you update very up to date here. You can browse to your computer if you already download manually, or search automatically for driver via website here. And also calibrate your monitor here. You can update the driver. And you can search for in the internet how you can calibrate your monitor. And also you can scan your computer. Maybe there is a system error. You can run a command prompt, run as administrator here, and try to type this. The SFC hashtag scan now. Here beginning system scan, and make sure your watch or you have to wait this scans complete to see if there's a system error. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.